This is the review for Monday, June 6th. Today was a day spent mostly counting, doing different note combinations. After reviewing the three songs, Smoke on the Water, Scale, and Ode to Joy, we moved right into counting. Up until today, all we were using were quarter notes and quarter rests. These get one count, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So today we introduced the half note, which gets 2 counts, and the half rest. After that we introduced the whole note and the whole rest, which gets 4 counts. And then lastly, the dotted half note and the dotted half rest, that gets 3 counts. Notice the difference between all of them. This is a filled in note head. This one is more of an open circle. The whole note doesn't have a stem like the rest of them do. The whole rest hangs from the line. Half rest sort of sits on the line. And this dotted half rest has the dot just like the dotted whole note does. So after that we got this sheet of counting practice, different combinations of quarter notes, whole notes, half notes, dotted, half notes, and then all sorts of different combinations with the rests in there. So these are using only E, F, and G, so if you could learn either this side or both sides, this side is pretty easy, but we just wanted to have one side done for next week. So here's an example using a couple different combinations, and what I'm going to try to do and what we tried to do was keep everything nice and even, so everything gets counted the same way the whole way through. So here's a few combinations, all using the note E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the goal is to keep everything nice and even, be able to count everything the same, be able to move it all the same. So all combinations adding up to 4, just different counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after we did a whole bunch of that, I handed out just at the very end. Oh, that's not it. The third string, G. We didn't get into any of this, but if you want to go ahead and take a look at it, it'll be our next step down the guitar. So this note, or this string, is a little different. It only has 2 notes, open G, and then 2nd fret, 2nd finger, A. But we'll get into that more next time. So if you can just take a week and spend it doing different combinations of counting, that's what we try to accomplish this week.